So our next command is explain. If you looked, I used the context before, the extra context, to find out about this node, and now I need to explain it because I need some more information to understand this before I go ahead and extend it or do my work that I need to do on this new project that I've joined. So I'm here, and this is going to give me a summary and some example usage of this code. So it's telling me, here's how you use this TB Json path node, the code analysis, the init method talks about it, how it's initializing context and on message. It talks about the configuration JSON path. So I can actually want to know a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and copy just this configuration JSON path and continue the chat. So I'm in a context of this file and my explain command that I did. And I'm going to say, go into depth with an explanation or explaining that. And now I can come here and even get a more in-depth understanding where it's using the Json provider for the setup. And so if you look too after this, you'll see the references. So here's all the files and the rules engines. It's went ahead and got that. So it's using my project to get more information to be able to explain this to me. And that's the explain command.